the printer, but I've already done that and I'll resume the...
Once a month at the library in the Pacific Highlands, there are community 3D printing classes. Senior Eva DaCosta talks about her experience.
I started learning how to 3D print like over winter break when my parents got a 3D printer, and I started learning a little bit about like the design softwares and how to slice and how to print. So for most of the equipment here, you can just walk in and use it, and like the volunteer will try to help you out with it. And if you want a 3D print something, you can make an appointment, and the volunteer will be happy to help you out. In the Idea Lab, it's mostly kids that come in that just want to print toys for themselves or things that they've seen other people print. But there are also some adults that have someone wanted to print something for their kitchen.
Community member Isidore Kuma talks about why these classes are so beneficial.
So you can just search online and you can...
Yeah, it is quite useful. It is to younger generation is an avenue to learn free. Specific goal is to print the 3D models of the people. Like people are collecting photos now of different ages, a boy, and like that. Instead of collecting photo, I want to collect the models.
Librarian Maureen Meadows talks about the history behind the classes.
The Idea Lab actually stands for Innovate, Discovery, Experience, and Achieve. And out of the 37 branches of the San Diego Public Library, only about 10 or 12 actually have Idea Labs. And that comes from city funding, or it can be also a charitable funding, so donations fund the labs. It is simply a way for the community to develop skills using the 3D printer, Silhouette Cameo Cutter, the Glowforge, all of the things that are in here. It's just to provide more education for the community and hopefully spark interest in some of these fields of STEM. Everyone can come into the library, anyone. You don't have to have a library card. Anyone can step foot in here and utilize the computers, sit on a chair, read a book. Why shouldn't they have access to the technology as well?
The 3D printing class takes place once a month on Fridays. This has been Chase Clabo, Christopher Can, Adam Benai, and Shimon Levine, signing off for Falcon Vision.